Hi everyone, welcome to my channel Meghna Manjrekar Hauls and Reviews. This video, from the thumbnail and from the title, you all must have make out that this video is going to be a chatty video. I had got in the past a lot of comments, that is a lot of requests, make some video like while you are getting ready for the video. So this video is not only when I'm getting ready, this is basically whenever I suppose want to go out for my son's any kind of PTM meeting or anything. Of course the makeup items and the look and all, they do keep on changing, but my basic makeup steps mostly remains the same. So this particular video is going to be useful for college going girls, for office going girls, or for a person who is very minimal into the makeup. So like without blabbering anything or much doing anything, we will just directly move towards the video. The first step, of course, you all know I use primer. For primer, basically I have 3-4 primers, but right now I want to finish up this particular primer. This is from Lakme Absolute. This is the Blur Perfect primer. So I'm basically planning to finish it up as soon as possible. So that is why I'm just using this one primer. Otherwise, my one of the favorite is Wet n Wild Dewy primer. I like that primer also a lot. So sometimes I use this, sometimes that, or maybe sometimes sugar one also. Okay, so what I'll do is I'll just apply the primer, and if you feel my skin is not doing the best and like yes, this is my that time of a month where I do get some kind of pimples or maybe some kinds of bumps on my face, that is why my skin is not doing at its best. And right now I am basically a little bit under pressure because my son's final exam is going on and I have to like be with him, and that is why I'm little bit stressed also. So, and in this video I'll be showing you how I do my hair, because you all know I'm a mother of a 12-year-old son, so I do not get time whenever I shoot video. I do not get time every time to like go through my hair, that is to blow dry my hair or maybe to use some straightener or all. I do not basically I avoid using straightener and like blow dryer frequently, but whenever I wash my hair and all, I just use the blow dryer, and that is all. I do not like whenever I make videos and all, every time I do not blow dry my hair because I don't have basically that much time, and that is why you can see little bit of curls right now over here because I do tie my hair up. So that is why. And now I have used the primer. Now this is the, okay, I forgot to tell you, this is Makeup Revolution Fast Base Stick Foundation. You all know my holy grail. The shade in this I use is F12. So I'll be using this now on my face. If you want, you can tie up your hair and you can do the makeup, but since I'm filming, if I'll tie up my hair, it won't look that presentable. That is why I've just left my hair open. So I'll be using this my holy grail Pro Arte Beauty Blender. I always like to use beauty blender because, as you all know, now by the time now you all must be aware of my choice and all, because I don't like to go for heavy coverage. I avoid going for heavy coverage foundations and all. And basically this is my go-to make look. Like I prefer this kind of Of course you have to drag it towards your neck also, but I'm not doing right now. You have to. I am not doing right now, again I'm telling you, because after this I'm just going to wash my face. I have to sit with my son for his studies. So now the foundation is blended properly, you all can see. Okay, and if I feel little bit heavy or something, that foundation is little bit heavy or something, I use the tip of the blender and I just blend it everywhere. Now after foundation, I use this concealer because even I want to finish it up, this concealer. This is Swiss Beauty. Shade in which I use is Warm Sand 01. If you want to see a detailed review, because that is the most popular video on my channel, you all can go ahead and watch the video, because I have especially for this concealer I have made this video in 2 languages. One is in Hindi and one is in English. So you all can definitely go ahead and watch that video also if you want. I have actually, basically I do not use this way concealer. I just leave whatever is there, leave it, because nobody's skin is always perfect, right? We do suffer from lot of problems and all on our face. And after this I'm blending the concealer. Suppose if I'm going for some PTM or something, I avoid using foundation. I just directly go with the concealer. But when I'm shooting, I use foundation and I shoot. Now you all can see the concealer is already blended. Then what I do is, if I want a little bit more glow or something on my face, sometimes I mix this L'Oreal Lumi Match in my foundation. I take a drop or so on my hand, I just apply it. This gives you a within kind of glow on the face. So you can use that also, but I have not used today. Now what I'll do is, I'll just, this is the Wet n Wild Mega Glow Contouring Palette. Okay, it is in the shade Caramel Toffee. I'll just take the banana. I told you I like this banana powder a lot. I do not set my whole face, and if at all I set, I just take once and I just go blah blah blah, that's it. Not much on the face. I have just like taken little bit and set my under eyes. Now that's it. After this I directly go with my eyebrow. Okay, for eyebrow I want to finish this also. This is a Wet n Wild eyebrow pencil. I want to hit pan on this also because it's I have just sharpened it today, so that is why it is little bit darker. If you feel it is little bit darker, don't worry, it will get blended properly once I apply the full face of makeup. Now after this eyebrow, I directly go to my liner. I'll just apply liner and I'll come back. Yes, now the liner is on. For the liner, I have used this Blue Heaven Sketch Eyeliner. The individual review video is already up. If possible, I try to link in the I button, or else you can check the description box. Now after applying liner, I go with my mascara. For mascara, I am using again same my favorite Lash Sensational from Maybelline. So I just apply very light handedly. I don't go, because as I told you, I like natural, that is not overly done makeup. This is like mascara done. I don't go overboard also with mascara, because this is the way I like to be my makeup as. Like, I don't like to be like messed up a little bit, that's okay. So mascara done. Now after mascara, generally I like to go with I use basically liquid blush for like lip and cheek tint. So for that I'm using this Dear Darling lip and cheek tint. It is from Etude House. What I like to do is, I just take little bit, I put 1 or 2 dot. I like to be natural, like I like my blush to be very natural. So this way, of course, if you like, you can go for powder blush. I do have lot of powder blushes, but right now for videos and all, I use this tint only because this gives me a natural finish and it won't look like, okay, I have applied lot of makeup. And that also, like this tint also I blend only with my hands, like it's very natural looking. I like the finish, you all can see. And if little bit is on my hand, I try to like apply on my nose so that it doesn't look like chutki makeup. It looks like even. And if I feel okay, a little bit more, then just take beauty blender, just damp. But I don't think right now it is more, it is perfect. Right now this is also done. So now the last step will be for the lipstick, or else if I want, I just take little bit of this banana powder. Just I just tap on my face so that it doesn't look like, it doesn't transfer or anything. This is the way I like do this and like set my face. And lastly, I go with any kind of liquid lipstick or anything. Right now, for the sake of video, I am applying this Sugar lip gloss. It is in the shade Berry Ada. I like this because I want to have some glowy look on my face. See, now this is also done. You all can see. As I told you, I do not do my hair every day. That is, I do not use the straightener and all every day. But whenever I do, my hair looks little bit straight, and that is why you feel that my hair is little bit wavy from here, because as I told you earlier in the video, I tie up my hair up. And after doing all this, I just, if I want, I just set the face with the setting spray. So what I like to do is, that's it, and I just let it dry, air dry. Maybe I use some fan or maybe hand fan or something, or else maybe a napkin sort, and I just hand dry it just to like make it even. You all can see how it glows. For the natural day-to-day life, you all must be wondering, I have lot of products but I do not use. That is what I get the products basically to review. But if you tell me use all these products, I don't think it is possible for me to use each and every product. Not each and every variety, that is highlighter, contour. I do not highlight my face. I just use a glowy primer. That is, I use this Blur Perfect, or maybe actually my favorite one is that Wet n Wild Dewy Effect Primer. I like that primer a lot, and it gives you a awesome dewy effect on the face. And if you feel this video is little bit long, you can just cut. If I'll try to mention what all parts of makeup I am doing at what time. If you want to skip at particular time, you can directly do that, and you can go to that particular timestamp. Now you can see this is what my normal day-to-day makeup for the shoot is. And if at all I'm going for my son's meeting, I avoid foundation. I directly use the concealer, then set with the powder, use the eyeliner, little bit eyebrow, of course, use eyeliner, and little bit of lip and cheek tint and lipstick. That's it. And mascara if I have time. And most probably I am always running out of time. I'm always late, not reaching there or not reaching at particular place, but always late if I have decided, because I have, as I told you, lot of household work also to finish, and then I go for the meeting and whatever. So that is why. Now I don't want to blabber, or I don't want to bore you anything anymore. So like, if you like this video, give it a huge thumbs up, share this video with your friends and family. Now you will say, Meghna, you have not applied eyeshadow. for my day-to-day life, and you know I'm a lazy bum. I do not like to apply eyeshadow. I basically run away from eyeshadow, and I'm not a pro at eyeshadow. I'm learning. Each and every person learns each and every day by day. You learn everything. So I'm learning to do eyeshadow and all. And in any case, I'm not an eyeshadow junkie. I hardly have 4-5 eyeshadow palettes. And that's it. Not much. But if you ask me, I have lot of lipsticks. I have foundations. I have concealers. Setting spray only one. That we'll discuss some other video, right? So if you want to DM me, if you want to ask me anything, and you want to follow me on Instagram, the link of the Instagram will also be given in the description box. You can go ahead and check that as well. And if you have any other video suggestions on which you want me to make a video on, that also you can comment down below. I'll definitely try to fulfill your request. And yeah, if you're watching till here, that means you're liking my content. If yes, please give it a huge thumbs up. That please subscribe my channel. It is not going to cost you anything, but it will encourage me to make more and more videos. Of course, I'm late to this game. I'm late in this YouTube particular criteria, because right now lot of young girls and lot of young aspirants are there on YouTube, and you will say I am 12 years old, mother of a son, then for me I should not. But then I always think there is never late for anything. Whenever you want to start up, just go ahead and do it. If you agree with me, give it a thumbs up. Yeah, that's it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.